for runway 28, clear for that.
Alright, that was slow flight.
You got a sir.
So, first things first, power comes to 17 inches. The airplane's naturally going to start slowing down, so you may have to apply slight back pressure over the next like 30-40 seconds. So 17 inches. Good. You feel it start to slow on you?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, let's go ahead and do a left-hand turn, 30 degrees bank angle to south. And we're going to clear the area.
Cold Springs, you got a Piper Warrior right over the bend in the Sawgrass, northwest bound, 2,500 feet, Cold Springs.
Very nice. Okay, now we're going to start our T-flow real quick, or before landing flow.
Okay.
Fuel's on main tanks.
Yep.
Cow flaps are open.
Yep.
Fuel pump's low, go ahead and click them down. Landing gear down below 138, confirm below 138.
Below 138.
Okay, landing gear down.
Speed over the 26-mile bend.
And on it until we get 3 green.
Cold Springs.
Feel the drag come on.
Yep.
Flaps full. Nice, smooth and slow. Good. Mixture, click, click. Good. Flaps 15. You'll feel it pull it pitch on you. Goes down. Good. Full flaps. Good. Pitch down again. Let's slow down to 85 knots. 85 knots, power comes up to about anywhere from 18 to 20 inches, somewhere in that range.
Okay.
That's slow flight.
Alright, serious.
Nothing like the Skyhawks. Yeah, well, I mean, we're not that slow either. I mean, we're slow, but we got a buffer here in case we lose an engine right now. Okay, I want you to turn right to heading a west, 270.
Okay. How much bank can you put in?
About 10, 15 degrees, no more.
Okay.
If you get a little bit too fast here, just pull back just a little bit. Don't even look over it, just a little bit on the power.
Okay. My engine sound good now.
What was that?
Engine sound good.
Apex area, this is the 24,500 feet over there. Anytime toll gates westbound falls.
Now, when we get to west, we're going to practice a descent down to 6,200.
Okay.
We're going to do this at a power setting about 15 inches. Now, as you're pulling back the power to 15 inches, the nose is going to drop, so you're going to have to modulate it to keep everything where you want.
Alright.
Both power and pitch to get this one. So let's reduce the power to 15 inches. You'll feel the nose start to drop on you.
Yeah.
I'll lower the nose just a little bit to help out with the airspeed and the attitude and the altitude. So it's just like a normal descent here. You bring your power back. We're just leading a lot more with the power because we're a big airplane.
Alright.
Good. If we just nose down, we're going to pick up too much speed.
Alright.
So we really got to get that power out. There she does. We'll go down to 6,000.
Springs training area, you got a Skyhawk 3,700 feet over 26-mile bend, stalls, Cold Springs.
when we get about 50 feet above or so, start bringing up your power to that 19, 20 inch range.
Alright.
172, white with blue trim, we're at 4,500.
You see your pitch is going to pop up. That air is going over the elevator now.
Yep.
So again, you're going to have to change your pitch just slightly. May even have to nose it down just a touch. Very nice. Very good. Now do a climb. It's just like a normal climb. We're going to bring our power to 25. Start pitching up.
Yep.
We're looking for our airspeed to remain the same, about 85 knots. Should get about 500 feet a minute or so.
Got 3,700 feet.
Power.
Engine out over 26 miles in Cold Springs.
Good.
Cold Springs got a service about 4.5 miles to the east, northeast of the 75 rest area, 4,500 feet south of Cold Springs.
We'll go up to 6,500.
Cold Springs, you got a Piper Warrior 1 mile north of the bend in the Hillsborough, 2,500 feet, Cold Springs.
Again, about 50 feet prior, start walking out your power, lowering your nose. We're going back to about 1920. Very nice. Why don't you give me a left-hand turn to south?
Cold Springs, training of Arrow 2,300 over the sugarcane fields, just northwest of pump station 9, maneuvering. Cold Springs.
Cold Springs Twin Cessna on the eastern edge of the Square Lake, 6,500 feet going south. Once we're on south, we're going to recover.
Okay.
There's south. Okay, now the recovery, we're going to go full power, flat gear, flat.
Okay.
While trying to hold the attitude here, or the altitude. Now the pitch changes are going to be really goofy for you, because as we take out flaps, she's going to want to fall. And as she picks up speed, she's going to start climbing on you. So you're really going to end up kind of pulling back and then start going forward.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go ahead and go full power. Good. Start lowering the nose just slightly there. Beautiful. Okay, flat 15. She's going to try to fall on you. So pick her up now. Good. Feel it try to fall.
Yeah.
Good. Now you're holding altitude, airspeed's climbing, gear up. That's going to change the drag configuration. Okay, start lowering your nose now, we're picking up speed.
Training area, you got a Skyhawk at 3,500, descending over 26 miles and simulating.
Very good. Keep nosing down, keep nosing down, keep nosing down. Flap up, last notch. Good. You'll try to fall back on you again, so you'll pick it up just a little bit. Then you'll start nosing it down again. Passing 140, let's do PPAMs for cruise. Keep lowering that nose. Power comes back to 20 inches. Power prop aux pumps. So power 20 inches. Prop 2,300 RPM. Keep lowering your nose. Good. Mixture your aux pumps off one at a time.
Yep.
Watching your fuel flow.
Yep.
So it doesn't fall to zero. Keep lowering your nose. Mixtures come back in between 55 and 65. And we'll sync the prop.
Okay.